Hey guys, Maria Balsamo here. Hope you guys are all having a great day. I am coming back to you because we are going to finish up about talking about the four supplements in the Isotonix Daily Essentials, and we only have one left, and that's the blue one, which is the calcium below. And if you've been following the videos, you are getting an understanding as to why Isotonix is an amazing product. It's all about the delivery system and the fact that you're actually absorbing the supplement. The major difference between the pills and things and other items, even liquids that you're finding on the market. They may be with liquid, but they're not isotonic. Isotonic capability product is a product that is the same osmolarity as our body fluids, such as the pH level in our body or the glucose level in our body. For example, the tears in our eyes that I consistently use. Isotonix, because of its unique delivery system, is one step below an IV, guys. So if you're going to invest in your health and you're spending money on supplements, why wouldn't you want to buy something that you're actually absorbing? It's kind of defeating the purpose if you're purchasing vitamins and you're not absorbing them, correct? Like I said, with pills, you're lucky. I'm being generous if you get 20%. With Isotonix is up to 98% bioavailable to your body. Of course, not people probably won't absorb 98%, but some people might absorb like 60, or some people might absorb a little more or a little less. It really depends on your body and, our whole digestive and whole system, really. But if you're going to spend the money in an effort to achieve good health, you should invest it in the product that's actually doing the job, right? I didn't know this for a very, very long time, and through connections of mine, I started to become educated, and it all started with because I was taking my vitamins and I did not feel anything. I did not feel better. And then I stumbled on Isotonix through my connections, and there you have it. I really did feel the difference. And because of that, and because of my belief in the product, and because I know it's best in class, I looked at the business opportunity behind it. And I am an internet franchise owner because of it. And I am here to deliver my message and pay it forward because I want to educate other people like I got educated, and I want to help you, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. And let's talk about Isotonix Calcium, okay? Isotonix Calcium Plus. This is an amazing product. Yes, most of us know what what calcium is needed for. Strong bones, strong teeth. It's also needed for nerve impulses, guys, for those that don't know. It really is for nerve synapses in the brain, men and women alike. A lot of times when I talk to people, they think about calcium and they think about women, but really it's for everybody. With calcium, our calcium, I want to educate you a little bit on how it's made, and I'm going to read some notes because I want to help you the best that I can, and I don't want to miss anything, and it's a lot of information to really know, to do on the fly, and I'm trying to do this as quick as possible, not to keep long videos going. So many of the calcium tablets or pills that you're finding on the market, they fail to absorb the tablet calcium supplement through that because a calcium supplement is not blended with vitamin D and magnesium. These are necessary with calcium and aid in absorption and the ability of your body to use calcium. Without them, your body can't absorb calcium the way that it should. And Isotonix Calcium Plus also consists of 5 different calciums. So let me just scroll down here, guys, and let me just read which ones they are. They are calcium carbonate, lactate, phosphate, sulfate, and citrate. And I know that a lot of calciums on the market, they don't have those 5. And despite all of that, they are not isotonic. Calcium Plus has 200 milligrams of magnesium, and then let's scroll down. It has 1,000 IU of vitamin D3, which magnesium and vitamin D3, they're the driving forces to getting calcium into your body and getting it truly absorbed along with the Isotonix delivery system. So guys, if you want more information on Calcium Plus, I'll have the Isotonix Calcium Plus link below. Please feel free to message me. In the description below, you're going to be able to find me on Facebook. You can find me on LinkedIn too. I have my messenger link there. Please go to my website for Isotonix Calcium Plus and read about it. I mean, I have put all the information there, you know, and you have PDFs and you have the science backing behind the products. These are all of them, not just Calcium Plus, all of them. That's why I encourage you to go there, see the science, it's proven, and reach out to me, you know, ask me any questions that you need. And it doesn't have to be about Isotonix Calcium Plus, it could be about anything. You know, if you have something that you're looking for help with, something specific, reach out to me. I'm happy to help. That's why I'm here. That's the whole idea of coming to me and putting myself out there for you guys to deliver this message, is so that you can start getting educated, you know, get some tips and resources and stuff like that from me and for me to help you. And I can also provide testimonials too, guys. So if you need anything like that, please let me know. So I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching my videos. Please hit the red button below and subscribe. Hit that little bell too. This way you get notifications when new videos come out. And of course, please share. You know, the whole idea of paying it forward is getting the message out there, and with friends like you guys, you know, sharing and things like that, we get to educate more people. Like I said, just, you know, I didn't know about Isotonix. All I knew a few years ago or a couple of years ago was I was dragging. I didn't feel so good. And I was like, and I was like, what is wrong with me? And I would even have, you know, family members say, what's with you? And I'm like, I don't know. I'm just dragging. I don't know why, you know. And then I really started to look at things, and, you know, and then I started getting educated and I started talking to people. And as I talked to people and did some reading and did some research, what did I have to lose? I had nothing to lose. You know, what did I have to lose to trying a product that has the best absolute unique delivery system and is the best nutraceutical in the world? I had absolutely nothing to lose. I've been losing money all along buying supplements in the pill form and other things over the years. My only thing is I wish I'd found Isotonic sooner, because the only thing that I lost was low energy and other things like that, which I was happy to get rid of. So, you know, when you feel good, your whole mood changes. You're happy, you're uplifted. But when you're not feeling so good, we all know, you know, you're blah, and you're not where you really want to be. So you have all the resources below. You have me. That's why I'm here. So please reach out to me, guys. I want you all to feel better too, and we can go along this journey together. Thanks. Bye.